So I remember the very first time I decided it was time to stop carrying things on my own and to finally reach out and acknowledge I needed help. That first phone call went out to my dad. I was in a dark place, having a lot of tough stuff going on in life, and I reached out and my dad answered, and he supported me to the best of his abilities. And that gradually rolled into me finding other resources, finally acknowledging I needed to work with professionals and connect to groups that can help support me the way I needed it. And it was a very blind path that I was trying to follow. I struggled for a while to find the right resources that really connected with me, that I felt comfortable using. And that's part of the goal of Unarmored, is not just to create a community where we're vulnerable and we feel open and we can finally set that stuff down, but also a community of connectivity, so that way people don't have to wander through those dark spaces all on their own.